On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make crab cakes from my new book, Not Just Desserts. I'm also going to add paprika to my sauce, so I'm going to put that over there for when I prepare the sauce. Okay, a little Cajun seasoning next. As I said, not a little bit, not too much, but just a drop, just to give it a little bit of interest. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and that not too much either, because remember I have the breadcrumbs and there are other ingredients there that really give it a little bit of sodium, and then plus our sauce is going to add more flavor to it. So we're okay as far as making. I never like to make anything too salty because I feel you can always add to it, but you can never take it away. So here we have our Worcestershire sauce, a few little dabs of that, the Tabasco I already put in, and the oregano. And so there you have it.